Imagine yourself floating peacefully in the vast emptiness of space. The silence around you is absolute, broken only by the faint twinkle of distant stars. You feel weightless, untethered, a tiny speck in the endless cosmic ocean. Suddenly, a dark shadow looms ahead, an invisible force pulling you closer and closer. This is a black hole, one of the most mysterious and powerful objects in the universe. Today, we're going to take an extraordinary journey. We'll explore what truly happens if you fall into a black hole. What would you see? What would you feel? How does time behave? And what ultimate fate awaits you beyond the event horizon? This isn't just a story about space, it's a story about the very fabric of reality. By the end of this video, you will understand the mind-bending physics of black holes in a way that anyone, no matter your age or background, can grasp. Before we dive into falling in, we have to understand what a black hole actually is. The term black hole can sound like science fiction, but it's very real. Stars, like our sun, live for millions or billions of years, burning fuel in their cores. This fuel powers the star and keeps it stable by balancing two forces, the outward pressure from nuclear fusion pushing outward and the inward pull of gravity wanting to collapse the star. But what happens when a massive star runs out of fuel? Without the outward push from fusion, gravity wins. The star begins to collapse under its own weight. For stars much larger than our sun, this collapse is unstoppable, crushing matter into an unimaginably dense point called a singularity. The singularity is a place where gravity is infinitely strong and matter is crushed infinitely dense. In simple terms, it's a point with zero volume but enormous mass. But this singularity is hidden from the outside universe by a boundary known as the event horizon, and this is where the real mystery begins. The event horizon is often described as the point of no return. It's a spherical boundary around the singularity. Once you cross it, escape is impossible. Imagine standing at the edge of a waterfall, looking down at the rushing water below. If you step over the edge, you are swept away by the current, unable to climb back up against the flow. The event horizon is like that edge in space. It's invisible, but crossing it means you are pulled inevitably towards the singularity. Here's a fascinating fact. Crossing the event horizon isn't like hitting a wall or a barrier. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, if the black hole is massive enough, you wouldn't even feel crossing the event horizon itself. There's no sudden jolt or flash of light. It would seem like just another point in space. But to an outside observer watching you, it would look very different. Gravity is not just a force pulling objects together, it warps the very fabric of space and time, a concept known as space-time. Picture a large trampoline stretched tight. Now place a heavy bowling ball in the middle. The trampoline's surface dips and curves downward. This curvature represents how mass warps space, but gravity bends more than space. It bends time too. Near a massive object like a black hole, time slows down compared to a place far away. This effect is called gravitational time dilation. Let's dive deeper into time dilation. Imagine two people. One stays far from the black hole, the other falls toward it. To the person far away watching, the one falling toward the black hole appears to slow down. They seem to hover near the event horizon, moving slower and slower, their clock ticking sluggishly. But for the person falling in, time feels normal. Seconds, minutes, and hours tick as usual. They don't perceive any slowing. This means time behaves differently depending on where you are in relation to a black hole. Imagine now you are the one falling into a black hole. At first, you'd feel normal, no alarms, no sudden changes. Gravity would pull you gently at first, but as you approach the event horizon, gravity's strength increases dramatically. As you draw closer to the black hole, gravity begins to pull on different parts of your body with vastly different strengths. This difference is known as tidal force. It may sound harmless at first, like the tides on Earth caused by the moon's gravity, but near a black hole, these forces become unimaginably extreme. Imagine you're stretching a rubber band. One end is held firmly, and the other end is pulled away. The band elongates, becoming thinner until it eventually snaps. That's similar to what tidal forces do to an object falling into a black hole. If you fall feet first, your feet experience stronger gravity than your head because they are closer to the black hole. This differential pull stretches your body out lengthwise while compressing it from the sides. This stretching effect is so intense it's been nicknamed spaghettification because you'd be stretched out into a long, thin noodle, much like spaghetti. Near Earth, tidal forces are gentle. You don't notice the difference in gravity between your head and feet, but near a black hole, gravity changes drastically over tiny distances. The closer you get to the event horizon, the more extreme these tidal forces become. Eventually, the pull becomes so strong that atoms themselves are torn apart. You're stretched thinner and thinner until you are no longer recognizable as a person, but a stream of particles spiraling into the singularity. Imagine this moment. You're crossing the event horizon, the invisible boundary around the black hole. From your perspective, this crossing is surprisingly calm and uneventful. There is no visible or physical barrier, no flashing lights or alarms. If the black hole is supermassive, meaning millions or billions of times more massive than our sun, the tidal forces at the event horizon might be mild enough that you don't feel stretched immediately. You would cross this boundary smoothly. However, to someone watching from a safe distance, the story is different. They would see you slow down as you approach the event horizon, your image becoming dimmer and redder until you seem to freeze and fade away. This is due to gravitational redshift, where light stretches to longer wavelengths, escaping the black hole's gravity. Once you cross the event horizon, you enter a realm where our understanding of physics starts to break down. You are cut off from the rest of the universe. Any signals you try to send out cannot escape. At the center lies the singularity, a point of infinite density where all the mass of the black hole is concentrated. Here, gravity is infinitely strong, and space and time cease to have meaning as we know them. Current physics, governed by general relativity, cannot describe what happens at the singularity. It's a place where the rules break down, and new theories, like quantum gravity, are needed to explain the phenomena. One of the greatest puzzles in modern physics is the black hole information paradox. Physics teaches us that information, the details about the state of every particle, cannot be destroyed. But if you fall into a black hole, it seems like this information vanishes inside, lost forever. This contradicts the laws of quantum mechanics, which say information must be conserved. Scientists have proposed ideas such as the holographic principle, which suggests that information might be stored on the event horizon's surface, like a cosmic hologram. Others suggest information could escape through a process called Hawking radiation. The paradox remains unresolved and is an active field of research. Not all black holes are created equal. While some are small, a few are supermassive black holes, millions or billions of times the mass of our sun, lurking at the centers of galaxies. Supermassive black holes have larger event horizons. This means the tidal forces at their event horizon are weaker, making it theoretically possible to cross without immediate spaghettification. For a supermassive black hole, the gentle pull at the event horizon might let you pass through intact, but eventually, as you approach the singularity, the extreme forces would still destroy you. Falling into a black hole challenges our very concept of time. As you near the black hole, time slows down compared to the rest of the universe. From your point of view, time flows normally, but to outside observers, your fall appears to take an infinite amount of time. This leads to the strange visual effect where you seem to freeze at the edge of the event horizon, trapped in a timeless moment. Black holes are not just cosmic oddities, they are gateways to understanding the deepest laws of physics. Black holes exist at the intersection of Einstein's theory of general relativity and quantum mechanics, the two pillars of modern physics that don't yet fully agree. Studying black holes could help scientists unify these theories, revealing a theory of quantum gravity. Black holes may also hold clues about the origins of the universe, the nature of space and time, and the fate of all matter. Falling into a black hole is the most extreme journey imaginable, a journey where space, time, and reality twist in ways that challenge our imagination. Though it may lead to destruction, black holes shine a light on the mysteries of the cosmos, inviting us to explore the unknown. Thank you for joining this incredible journey to the edge of space and time. If you enjoyed this cosmic adventure, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts about black holes in the comments. Keep looking up and keep wondering.